Good morning, Neelam ji from up India.
Good morning, Meena ji. How are you?
I'm okay, a little bit shaken up. I don't know if this is, I'm Namaskar, Sat Shri Akal, Salam Alaikum to all my friends all over the world. Um, right now, as all of you know, that I'm in New York, and I just want to say that I was talking to Neelam ji right now. We were just chatting, and I was having a little something to eat, and all of a sudden I felt that everything is like shaking. And I said, this doesn't sound like a thunderstorm. This is something very different because we just had so much rain in the last 3, 4 days that I cannot even tell you. People's houses are flooded. My daughter's house got flooded in the basement. And I said, this is totally different. This is like an earthquake. And I said, before I could say anything, I said, oh my God, I think we had an earthquake. I was telling him, right now we were talking. And that happened. I can't believe it. And then I quickly went out, and my husband and the girl who worked, the lady who works for me, and they both came running to me, said, are you okay? I said, yeah. She said, there was an earthquake. There's an earthquake. I said, I know, don't panic. And now my kids are writing to me. So if you're in New York or nearby in Connecticut, New Jersey, I'm sure you must have felt it. But this is like, it happened for about 5, 6 seconds, I should say, but very scary. Luckily, nothing fell down. It wasn't that for that long. There's nothing, none of these things over here that have so much stuff. No pictures fell down, nothing, none of that happened. But it just, was a little bit scary in the sense that who would think that it's going to be in New York like this? The earthquake is going to come. Nobody knows.
Well,
Come,
that's nature, Meena ji.
I
It
know.
doesn't come with a warning.
Exactly, you're right. But this is, I think, the second time since I've been here for so many years कि न्यूयॉर्क में हुआ है earthquake. I'm sure you'll read about it today or tomorrow, that will come in the news as well. So, and उसमें मेरा शुक्राने का प्रोग्राम है, तो मैंने दिल दिया गला लगा दिया. Normally I usually put a shabad on or a bhajan on today, शुक्राना, but excuse me, things are a little topsy-turvy right now with me. But anyway, I'm calmed down now. Okay. तो आज हमारे साथ नीलम जी हैं. She came here a couple of weeks ago, and we had a very good session that time as well. And today, as all of you know, that Ramadan Hora is going to be Eid in a couple of days, I think on Wednesday the 10th over here in New York. And on the 9th, we're going to start the Navratri. So
Navratri
starting on the 9th. So that they're like one after the other. Like, I think that all depends on the moon timings for both of them. These things over here, everything depends on the moon. So one is gonna start, one is gonna end. So हमने सोचा थोड़ी इसकी बात करें भी, fasting, and what are the rituals, why do we have it, why do we have this fasting, and what are the reasons for both of them, why they do it. Is it to please अल्लाह और भगवान जी को, किसको करने के लिए होता है या अपने लिए होता है? So उनका थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है. The reason they're doing it, I just happened to do a little research, and I think in the Ramadan is to develop self-control and self-reflection. But anyway, first, before I do any of that, I want to introduce Neelam ji properly. She's a Reiki grandmaster and also Sujok therapist, animal healer, switch words expert. And I can still remember last time when she came, she said 11:22 if you want to get money.
Yes.
Usko yaad rakhna. And then also chuckle, chuckle, giggle if you want a good time. And
Chuckle, chuckle, giggle is for the happiness.
yeah, bingo or something like that. Yeah. So these things I remember. And naturopath and positivity coach. And she has a holistic healing center, and she has a holistic healing center by Nature's Grace in Jaipur and Gurgaon. And she's also a biker by passion, and she's a big time dog lover, and she loves feeding and healing pets and stray babies. At Nature's Grace, she said they do certificate courses of Reiki, Sujok, and switchwords, treatments of mental, physical, and emotional issues through Reiki, Sujok, and naturopathy, kids Reiki programs, wellness retreat and programs, energy healing sessions, animal and birds healing, counseling and meditation programs. Contact details, I can give you the number. That's 919560424609. And the other handles as well. It's website, Facebook, ask me and I'll give it to you. And LinkedIn also. So anyway, we were talking about last time we were talking about all this thing. Today I said, since these two things are happening one by side by side, let's talk a little bit about that. So Neelamji will explain to me. I mean, I just did some research. It just said develops for the Ramadan. It says to develop self-control and self-reflection, increase empathy to those in need, and foster gratitude. Purify the soul and focus on spiritual growth. Strengthen your connection with Allah. Follow the teachings of Quran and Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. So these are the few things. And Navratri ka maine padha tha ki like it's more like a cleansing thing that you do to connect with the with your body and yourself, because you need to like detoxify your bodies as well. And that's fasting during this period helps cleanse the body and mind. So saying all that, and to reduce stress and increase immunity and bring forth joy and awareness. So I mean, हमने तो पढ़ लिया है. So Neelam ji is going to explain a little bit more and tell us the differences, and I'm sure there's some similarities as well between the two. So here's the expert over here, Neelam ji. Welcome to Dil Diya Galla.
Thank you so much, Veena ji, and thanks a lot for inviting me. It's always a pleasure to come to your show, Dil Diyan Galla, and it really touches my heart whenever I'm there.
Oh, that's
And
good.
yes, Ramadan and Navratri both are there. Ramadan is going on, Navratri chalu hone wala hai, and these both festivals have a set pattern of fasting, which is important. Now, first and foremost, we need to understand fasting hota kya hai. Fasting doesn't mean कि आप कुछ भी खाओगे पियोगे नहीं. There are certain rules and rituals. जैसे Ramadan में you will be fasting from sunrise to sunset, and after that you start eating. And in Navratri, again, it's the same thing, but then you take the meal according to your meal plan. Some people take just one meal a day. Some people do only liquid fasting. So based on the person, the health, and all the other things we do. Yes, why fasting is important is, first of all, every religion has always come up with some rituals to create a discipline. The whole purpose of religion was to build a community which is based on discipline, which is based on rules and regulations, so that we become different from animals. Animals don't have religion, they don't have any rules, they don't have any regulations. They just eat, sleep, and drink. But with humans, it is different. That's why every religion comes with different rituals to
That's
be
true.
followed. So let's first start with Ramadan. So Ramadan is a 1 month fasting period which happens twice a year. And the whole purpose of it is, yes, as you said, to bring self-discipline, वो जरूरी है. पर हमें एक चीज बहुत अच्छे से समझनी है कि ये जो सारे रिचुअल्स हैं, ये कहीं ना कहीं ह्यूमन बींग्स को बेनिफिट करते हैं. दिस इज नॉट एन ऑब्लिगेशन कि अगर आप ये नहीं करोगे तो आप अपने अल्लाह के करीब नहीं हो या अपने ईश्वर के करीब नहीं हो. नहीं. This was created so that there is some kind of system be developed in the community. And yes, it also gives you a time to think, keep yourself away from this materialistic world for some time. वरना तो सुबह से शाम तक we are all into that same rat race of earning, spending, taking responsibilities and all that. We don't get time for self-reflection. We don't get time for self-growth, especially spiritual growth. That the whole purpose of both these fastings is spiritual growth. जब हम रमजान की फास्टिंग करते हैं 1 महीने के लिए, so there are certain rules over there. During that time period, you can't drink, you can't play, gamble, you can't lie. Zakat deni hoti hai. Zakat is again an offering or a charity that you give based on your income.
Right.
And first and foremost, to be in gratitude for all the blessings that you have in your life, जो कि हम कभी भी realize नहीं करते. शुक्राना तो हम कभी बोलते ही नहीं ना, वो तो हम बोलना ही छूट गए. हमें तो लगता है तो हमारा जन्म से अधिकार है. गाड़ी, बंगला, पैसा, जॉब, बच्चे, ये सब हमारा जन्म से अधिकार है. पर ऐसा नहीं होता. जब हम रमजान रख रहे होते हैं तो हम at one point everybody is equal. That is the only time of the year where even a rich or a poor is equal, because both of them are fasting at the same time. Both of them understand what is thirst, what is hunger, जो कि otherwise आपको कभी समझ में भी नहीं आता. Based on your criteria, your markation in the society, कभी कभी तो Those who are well-to-do have enough to eat, right? Enough to spend. But those who are not well-to-do, they are really struggling for 2 meals a day also. तो ये एक ऐसा महीना है जिसमें गरीब और अमीर सब एक लेवल पे आ जाते हैं. दिस इज ऑल्सो द मंथ वे यू अंडरस्टैंड कि हमें ईश्वर ने या अल्लाह ने कितनी ब्लेसिंग्स दी हैं. वी आर सो वेल ऑफ, और कभी भी हमने उसके लिए शुक्रिया नहीं बोला. तो दिस इज द मंथ टू से योर थैंक यू टू अल्लाह फॉर ऑल द ब्लेसिंग्स दैट यू हैव. एंड ऑल्सो टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हर वो मील जो हमें मिलता है, इट इज सो प्रेशियस. दैट वन सिप ऑफ वाटर इज सो प्रेशियस. और हम किस तरीके से अपने नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज को वेस्ट कर रहे होते हैं, हमने कभी सोचा भी नहीं. लेकिन जब वो पूरा दिन भर में आप एक गिलास पानी भी नहीं पीते हो, तब आपको पानी की अहमियत पता चलती है. जब आप एक अन्न का दाना भी नहीं खाते हो, तो आपको खाने की अहमियत पता चलती है. जब आप पांचों वक्त नमाज पढ़ते हो, तो यू कम बैक टू योर ग्राउंड रियलिटी, यू कम बैक टू योर रूट्स. आप 5 बार जब अल्लाह को धन्यवाद कर रहे होते हो उस 5 नमाज में, आपको पता चलता है कि ये सारी सांसें उसी की ब्लेसिंग से चल रही हैं. जो भी आपकी लाइफ में उन्हीं की ब्लेसिंग से हो रहा है. And when you do all these things, you eventually have a lot of time to think about your own spiritual growth. तब आप realize करते हो, this is the time to understand what is going on in your life, what is the wrong things that you need to remove out of your life, and what are the right things that you want to add into your life. क्योंकि वक्त ही नहीं मिलता ना ये सोचने का डे टू डे जिंदगी में. तो दिस इज लाइक अ ब्रेक फ्रॉम योर एवरीडे रैट रेस एंड कम बैक टू द रियलिटी ऑफ लाइफ. एज यू सेड, अभी अभी हमने एक एग्जांपल देखा, वीना जी अच्छे खासे वहां बैठे थे और 1 मिनट में अर्थक्वेक आ गया.
Yeah.
लकीली ऊपर वाले का शुक्र मनाइए कि 5-7 सेकंड का था. अगर वो उससे सिवियर होता तो शायद ये शो भी नहीं हो रहा होता, राइट? So
Yeah.
life can go on in a minute. In a flip of a second, everything is
Exactly.
gone. तो ऐसे में हम कब धन्यवाद करते हैं, कब शुक्राना करते हैं? कभी नहीं. टाइम ही नहीं होता हमारे पास उसके लिए भी. तो ये एक महीना ईश्वर आपको, अल्लाह आपको टाइम देता है हर उस चीज के लिए थैंक यू बोलने के लिए. प्लस जब आप एक स्ट्रिक्ट डाइट पे होते हैं, एक फास्टिंग कर रहे होते हैं, वो 12 घंटे आपके बॉडी में कोई भी टॉक्सिन्स नहीं जा रहे. Whatever you say, salt, sugar, food, in a way, they are toxins only entering into your body.
Mm.
Excess of sugar, excess of salt, excess of glucose level going up and down, these all create problems in your body. तो हम अपनी बॉडी को कब डिटॉक्सिफाई करते हैं? इसके थ्रू हम अपने बॉडी को डिटॉक्सिफाई करते हैं, अपने ब्लड शुगर लेवल को रेगुलेट करते हैं. और जब हमारे ब्लड शुगर लेवल रेगुलेट होते हैं, वी आर नॉट ओवर इमोशनल, देयर इज नो एंजाइटी, देयर इज नो स्ट्रेस. किसी भी चीज को लेके हम ओवर रिएक्ट नहीं कर रहे. वी आर गोइंग विद द नॉर्मल पेस ऑफ लाइफ. So Ramadan is basically a reminder to every Muslim in this world that what is the blessings Allah have given you, and it is time to say thank you to all those blessings. Now let's move on to Navratri, which is a 9-day fasting. That also happens twice a year. अब देखिए, हमारे रिलीजन बनाने वालों ने भी ना बहुत सोच समझ के रिलीजन के रूल्स बनाए थे. उन्होंने हर चीज को 2 या 3 या 4 भागों में डिवाइड किया था. अब ये वाली नवरात्रि गर्मी में होती है, नेक्स्ट नवरात्रि तब होती है जब सर्दी आने वाली होती है. At the transition phase of a weather, always the body fluctuates a lot. अभी हम सर्दी से गर्मी में आ रहे हैं, फिर हम गर्मी से सर्दी में जा रहे होते हैं. और जब भी ट्रांजिशन फेज आता है, उस वक्त आपकी बॉडी को एनवायरनमेंट में एडजस्ट होने में बहुत टाइम लगता है. और उस वक्त आप जो भी चीजें खा रहे होते हैं, बॉडी उस पर बहुत जल्दी रिएक्ट कर रही होती है. तो टू स्लो डाउन दैट प्रोसेस, द फास्टिंग इज कमिंग एग्जैक्टली एट दैट टाइम.
Mm.
नवरात्रि का अगर आप खाना देखोगे, इट इज बेस्ड ऑन द कंप्लीट आयुर्वेदिक कॉन्सेप्ट. जो भी खाने पीने की चीजें वो आयुर्वेदा में इस मौसम के लिए बेस्ट मानी गई है. आप पूरी की पूरी वही चीजें खा रहे हो 9 दिन, जो आपके बॉडी को इस वेदर चेंज के ट्रांजिशन में हेल्प कर सके. Again, the religious part is there. 9 days of Navratri talk about 9 different incarnations of Ma Durga. 9 different things, 9 different powers which a woman has, as woman is the creator. तो हम एक तरीके से वुमेन को भी वो थैंक यू बोल रहे कि यू आर द क्रिएटर, यू हैव द स्ट्रेंथ. इट इज फॉर एवरी वुमेन टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड गेट बैक द स्ट्रेंथ. आप अपनी वैल्यू शायद भूल गए, लेकिन ईश्वर आपकी वैल्यू नहीं भूल रहा. आपको वापस वो रिमाइंडर दे रहा है कि ये 9 शक्तियां हैं हर स्त्री में, और यही रिमाइंडर वो एक पुरुष को भी दे रहा है कि रिमेम्बर द वुमेन इन योर हाउस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ माँ दुर्गा. Start respecting and loving them for all the sacrifices they have done. So both these rituals play a very important role on your mental health, on your spiritual growth, as well as on your physical health.
That's very true. I agree. And देखो ना, both the religions different है. One is a Muslim religion,
बिल्कुल.
but concept basically same ही है कि रुको, सोचो, and give your body a break, like from all the regular things you're eating, stuffing yourself every day, morning से लेकर रात तक.
Yes.
कभी ये खा रहे हो, कभी स्वीट्स खा रहे हो, कभी डोनट
Yes.
खा रहे हो, कभी राइस खा रहे हो, कभी रोटी खा रहे हो, कभी परांठा खा रहे हो. Like it goes
कोई
on and
रूल्स नहीं है
on.
ना, हम सारे रूल्स तोड़ देते हैं.
छोड़ देते हैं.
So go back to the
And
self discipline.
some people they go overboard. They eat too much. They become gluttons.
Exactly.
उनको खाने की वो कहते हैं ना, कोई like hobby बन जाती है, like all the time I want to eat something. So if you follow this really gives a very good break to your body to have, and like सब कह रहे हैं, discipline yourself. खाने से discipline करोगे तो और भी चीज़ों में भी discipline आ जाती है. You know, you get discipline with your, like that you have resistance, you can wait, you can tolerate a lot of things, you know, a lot of other things.
There will be no anxiety, there will be no
Exactly.
stress, because
So
you understand हर चीज वक्त से होती है. आपकी ओवर एंजाइटी, ओवर स्ट्रेस किसी भी चीज को इम्प्रूव नहीं कर रहा, इनफैक्ट वो उसको बिगाड़ रहा है. योर मेंटल हेल्थ इज गोइंग डाउन एज वेल एज योर फिजिकल एंड इमोशनल हेल्थ इज गोइंग डाउन. So it doesn't only uplift your physical health, it also uplifts your mental and emotional health.
yes,
जब हम
definitely.
कम खाना खाते हैं हमारे रिएक्शन स्लो जाते हैं, हमें ज्यादा गुस्सा भी नहीं आता, क्योंकि हमारे पास उतनी स्ट्रेंथ ही नहीं होती इतना गुस्सा करने की. हम इतना ज्यादा ओवर रिएक्ट नहीं करते, इतने ज्यादा एंशियस नहीं होते, बिकॉज बॉडी इज पुटिंग यू डाउन, पुटिंग यू लाइक इन अ स्लीप मोड. आप कुछ भी मत करो, जस्ट ऑब्जर्व. और जब आप सिर्फ ऑब्जर्व करते हो, यू रियलाइज आपके रिएक्शन न करने पे भी चीजें हो जाती हैं, आपके स्ट्रेस न लेने पे भी चीजें चल रही हैं दुनिया
and
में. Then why
and
to take stress? Why
yes,
to react on every small little thing?
exactly. And then oh, Dolly over here, right? Dolly, I was sitting on the chair talking to Neelam ji when that happened. She's still up. So आप कहते क्या, you were watching TV and you were shaking. And the TV was shaking. So you were in the bedroom. I mean, it was a very scary experience just now. About 20 minutes ago, maybe 15, 20 minutes ago. And you felt in New Jersey too? Yeah, New Jersey. My daughter's in Connecticut. They all felt it. It was a little bit scary, but it was before you realize what happened. It finished. That was a good thing. आपका कोई गेस्ट आ रहा है, उनको मैं, do you want me to admit or not? Somebody's trying to come in here.
I have no idea.
No? Jalani, somebody called Jalani, Jay Jalani entered the waiting room. Do you want me to admit that person or tell them to that we're having a private session over here?
This is a private session. They can listen to the conversation and put their questions. You can just write in the comment
She's trying to admit. Let me see who it is, and I'll tell her to please
box that if they have any
go
questions,
back to
they
my.
can put in, we can answer.
You can go back to Dil Diyan Gallan. Like I said, I had my group in Facebook. There's somebody just coming. Hello, who just joined. This actually is a private session between myself and Neelamji, and I believe you're a guest. So you can always go back to Facebook and connect with my group called Dil Diyan Gallan with Veena Lamba. You'll find it there, and it's going live over there. And we prefer that you do that because this is like a, you know, like we are in the Zoom right now, which is a private session. And the other one, which you go when you go to Facebook, is for anybody can come and listen to over there. So I will appreciate it if you can join from there and not from here. So thank you so much. And you know, I try to explain everything to you. So please go to Facebook, go to my group called Dil Diyan Gallan with Veena Lamba, and you'll find this live program. Then you can ask some questions and write to me if you want from there. So I'm just going to remove you if you don't mind. So thank you very much. Since this is a private session, thanks a lot. And I'm sorry about that, but I have to do as the program is going on right now live. Thank you. Okay. Okay. So that again, it's all about discipline, and because I think why the religions they show that they're very different from each other. Why can't they? A lot of similarities kitni hai, and a lot of time you find religion fighting for no reason. You know.
Every religion has some basic similarities, वीना जी. आप किसी भी religion को
I
उठा
know.
के देख लीजिए, उसका core structure same ही है.
Yeah, बिल्कुल
There are
basic.
different ways of. It is like different languages you are using to communicate, but
What I meant.
what you are communicating is just the same.
Like for example,
It's
if you
saying I love
attend
you in different languages, but you're still
a,
saying I love you.
for example, if you attend a wedding, right? Hindu wedding, Muslim wedding, Sikh wedding, Christian wedding. What do the priest or the जो ऊपर वाला जो उनका head है, what does he say to the couple? The same thing to everyone.
The same thing.
You gotta respect each other. You don't fight in the night. Go to sleep. Do this, and you gotta respect your families. All of them they say the same thing. They all say
Everybody
the
will say the
same thing.
same thing.
So all the religions the very I would say they're very similar in a lot of things. Differences come here, but they are show more of the differences than the things which are similar. For some reason, exploitation. What do you
See,
think? That's what the problem
yeah,
is.
because religion was never a power game. Religion was a choice given to a human being. So even if you're born as a Hindu, you still have a choice to practice another religion, which is even given by the Constitution of India, right?
Right.
So when religion is not a power game, then why to look at the differences? Look at the similarities.
Yeah.
India itself is a secular country. आप कोई भी religion practice कर सकते हो, आपको कोई मनाही
No.
नहीं है उस चीज की. तो comparison तो होना ही नहीं चाहिए ना. It is a support system which is going together. It is the same support system for Hindus, for Muslims, for Christians, for Sikhs, for Isais, because this is what is the purpose of religion, to form a community, to make people come together and live in a community. That is the only thing which differentiates you from any other animal kingdom.
Oh yeah.
But if the purpose of religion becomes to fight and to dominate and to show power, then there is no difference between you and animal kingdom.
That's for my point. Like see the हम तो कहते हैं शुक्राना
And
because
that is the reason, if you see Navratri ka fasting or Ramadan ka fasting, the purpose is the same. Self-reflection, spiritual growth, connect to the divine. Be grateful to all your blessings that you have in your life. Detoxify your body, your mind, your soul. Purify your thoughts. जब आप फास्टिंग करते हो, फास्टिंग का सबसे पहला रूल है, आप बात कम करते हो. ऑटोमेटिकली योर स्पीकिंग रिड्यूसेस. आप शांत हो जाते हो क्योंकि आपके पास उतनी एनर्जी नहीं होती बात करने की. खाना कम खा रहे हो, नहीं खा रहे हो, तो एनर्जी लेवल वैसे ही कम हो गए. आप बात करना कम कर दो. द मोमेंट यू स्टॉप टॉकिंग और यू रिड्यूस टॉकिंग, यू नो हाउ मच नेगेटिविटी यू आर एलिमिनेटिंग फ्रॉम योर बॉडी, फ्रॉम योर लाइफ, फ्रॉम योर
right.
माइंड. आप बात ही नहीं करोगे तो ना कुछ अच्छा बोलोगे ना कुछ बुरा बोलोगे. अब बात नहीं कर रहे तो सुन भी नहीं रहे हो, क्योंकि सुनने के बाद ही तो रिस्पॉन्ड करोगे. ना आप कुछ अच्छा सुन रहे हो ना आप कुछ बुरा सुन रहे हो. आपके थॉट प्रोसेसेस इतने क्लियर हो जाते हैं. इनफैक्ट मैंने यूजुअली ये नोटिस किया है कि अगर आप फास्टिंग से पहले कोई डिफरेंट human being go, by the time the fast gets over, during that 1 month or 9 days period, there's so many things in your head gets cleared. बहुत सारे लड़ाई झगड़े अपने आप ही खत्म हो जाते हैं क्योंकि आपके दिमाग में क्लैरिटी आ जाती है. बहुत सारी मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स अपने आप खत्म हो जाती है बिकॉज यू गॉट टाइम टू थिंक एंड रिफ्लेक्ट एंड रियलाइज कि इन छोटी छोटी चीजों के लिए मैं क्यों लड़ रही हूँ. जस्ट लेट इट गो. This
I
is also the process of letting go of those petty things which have become so huge in your life. And you do it on your own. Nobody tells you to do it because you've got time to think about these things and realize that you have bigger goals in life than just fighting and speaking ill about anybody.
बिल्कुल ठीक बात है. And then
So that's the whole purpose.
see that's the time basically one should have self control and have self reflection जो कहते हैं. Think of all you have time to do it because as your mind when you're eating, I think when you're eating less you don't thinking about the food. You do think about it, but at the same time you can't eat at that time, so your
I
mind
don't think it is
thinking of different things.
only the first day that the body takes a
Yeah.
little time to adjust in a new routine and a new structure of eating. By the second or the third day, The body, see, look at the beauty of our physical body. हमारी physical body बहुत जल्दी adjust हो जाती है new environment. It is only our mind which is not able to adjust. आप बॉडी को 3 दिन तक डिफरेंट मील पैटर्न में डालिए, चौथे दिन वो ऑटोमेटिकली उसी मील पैटर्न के हिसाब से आपको हंगर वाइब्स देगी. हमारी फिजिकल बॉडी को बहुत आसानी होती है किसी भी एनवायरनमेंट में एडजस्ट होने के लिए. इट्स ओनली आवर माइंड व्हिच क्रिएट्स ऑल द
Yeah, that is true. 100% correct. हम
ब्लॉकेजेस.
कहते नहीं ऐसे कैसे होगा without even trying. You know, we're putting the roadblocks beforehand, which is not good. So give your body is more just.
I always believe fasting is like a cupboard full of your clothes and it is time to rearrange your cupboard. हमारे कबर्ड्स में से कपड़े गिर रहे होते, कौन से सेक्शन में क्या पड़ा होता है कुछ नहीं पता, हम रोज ऐसे ही डंप कर रहे होते, निकाल रहे होते. So fasting is that break which gives you a time and an alarm clock कि अब अपना कबर्ड संभालो, पूरा रीअरेंज करो. सो यू विल गेट टू नो कौन से कपड़े आप यूज नहीं कर रहे, निकालो. कौन से कपड़े प्रायोरिटी पे आगे रखने हैं, उससे रखो. कौन से सर्दी के कपड़े नीचे डाल दो, गर्मियां आ गई, कौन से गर्मी के कपड़े ऊपर रख दो. So the way you arrange your cupboard, it is exactly the same way your body and mind gets arranged during fasting. And then you realize you have enough space in your cupboard and in your life to welcome new things. क्योंकि हमने पुरानी unwanted चीजें निकाल दी जिसकी हमें जरूरत ही नहीं है.
Right. And the food in the Navratri में जो different they tell you to eat different things. खिचड़ी होती है, दूसरी rice भी नहीं, you cannot eat the regular roti. So all the stuff, those are actually quite healthy for you. That's a healthy diet.
Yes, because you are fasting, so your meals have to be very light. आप
Yes.
फास्टिंग के टाइम पे हेवी मील्स नहीं खा सकते क्योंकि आपकी बॉडी उसको एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेगी. प्लस दिस इज अ वेदर ट्रांजिशन. इस वक्त आपका वेदर चेंज हो रहा है. इस वक्त आप इतना भारी खाना नहीं खा सकते. अगर आप खाओगे तो आपकी बॉडी उसको थ्रो कर देगी. तो इसलिए पूरा का पूरा मील पैटर्न बदल जाता है. यू मोर ऑन लिक्विड्स, ऑन लाइटर फूड. खिचड़ी जैसे कितनी हल्की होती है, आप जूसेस पी रहे हो, कोकोनट वाटर पी रहे हो, लिक्विड्स पे ज्यादा आ जाते हो, आप सॉलिड्स पे कम आ जाते हो. बिकॉज दैट इज व्हाट इज
Right, yeah.
रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द बॉडी टू चेंज.
No, that's true.
तो ये सब कुछ बहुत सोच समझ के बनाया गया सिस्टम है. इट इज नॉट जस्ट अ सुपरस्टिशन दैट यू हैव टू फॉलो. इफ यू गो बिहाइंड द साइंस ऑफ फास्टिंग, इट इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रिचुअल. आजकल सारी दुनिया इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग कर रही है. हमारे यहाँ पे तो सालों से चल रहा है. दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग
बात कर
ओनली
रहे
ना,
थे.
जो इस्लाम में भी सालों से चल रहा है, हिंदुइज्म में भी
मैं
सालों से
मैं
चल
तो
रहा है.
I didn't realize.
हमारे तो पूरे साल में कम से कम 22-23 फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं जिसमें आप रोज फास्ट कर रहे होते हो. तो व्हाट इज दैट? दैट इज अ वे ऑफ डिटॉक्सिंग योर बॉडी, डिटॉक्सिफाइंग योर बॉडी, रिमूविंग द टॉक्सिन्स.
I'm sure like a lot of you, like for example, my example, I mean, I eat around between 6 and 7, sometimes 7:30 ऐसा हो जाता है. तो you don't start, what do you eat in the night? Maybe some water, पानी पी लिया, कुछ ऐसी चीज होती है. रात को कितना कौन खाता है? Then by 7:30 you get up. So it's already 12 hours. You're not going to start eating heavy food. You're going to have some tea or something to, like water or tea or something, right? Then you go and eat your breakfast. So it's already 12 hours, 12 to 14 hours by the time you eat. So fasting तो हो ही रही है ना in a way. People don't realize that. अब ये नया concept नाम निकल आया intermittent fasting. Then they think oh
तो ये इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग भी तो हो ही रही है. हम शिवरात्रि का फास्ट रखते हैं, हम कृष्ण जयंती का फास्ट रखते
exactly.
हैं, हम गणेश चतुर्थी का फास्ट रखते हैं. एवरी मंथ देयर इज 1 or 2 फेस्टिवल्स कमिंग. सो एवरी मंथ 1 or 2 days योर बॉडी डिटॉक्सिफाइंग ऑटोमेटिकली एज पर द हिंदू रिलीजन. अपने आप ही हो रहा है. साल में 2 बार 1-1 महीने का आप रमजान रख रहे हो तो वो 12 महीने में से 2 महीने तो आप ऑलरेडी डिटॉक्सिफाई कर रहे हो अपनी पूरी बॉडी को. आपका पूरा का पूरा सिस्टम फ्लश आउट हो रहा है, पूरा का पूरा सिस्टम क्लीन हो रहा है. तो हर रिलीजन में कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा किया हुआ है जिससे आपका पूरा का पूरा सिस्टम क्लेंस हो रहा होता है.
But some people they fast every week. Like for example, some people Tuesday को करते हैं, कोई Monday को करता है, कोई Monday को कोई चीज
कोई मंडे को करता है, कोई ट्यूसडे को करता है, कोई 16 सोमवार का फास्ट रखता है,
Thursday को करते हैं. And then somebody told me that Mondays को they don't take any salt. नमक नहीं खाते.
अच्छा है. आपका बीपी रेगुलेट होता है,
बीपी के लिए अच्छा है.
बहुत अच्छा है.
I heard कि नमक नहीं खाते खाना में. ऐसे somebody had invited some people lunch के लिए, तो कहते नहीं make my food different. I said why? I don't take any salt on Mondays. See,
So that's what I'm saying ना, इतनी सारी चीजें हैं जो आपको हेल्प
helping.
करती हैं फास्टिंग के थ्रू। और हर रिलीजन में ये फास्टिंग है, हर रिलीजन में ये चीजें हैं, और ये चीजें आप ही के ग्रोथ के लिए बनाई गई हैं। ऐसा नहीं है फास्ट करके आपको अ, भगवान जी आपसे ज्यादा प्रसन्न हो जाएंगे और जो फास्ट नहीं करता उससे कम प्रसन्न होंगे। नहीं, ऐसा कोई रूल नहीं है। Yes, this is a way to connect to yourself, and connecting to yourself is the other way of connecting to divine, definitely. But
Yeah.
that again is not a criteria that if you will not fast, you are not a good human being. You are still a good human being.
Just that maybe when
But
you
this
do,
is the way to go ahead and cleanse your body, which otherwise you are not doing. It's
right.
just a reminder. It's like a cycle that you need to follow. जैसे मून भी तो अपनी साइकिल फॉलो करता है ना, फुल मून, न्यू मून, नो मून। इसी तरीके से ये भी साइकिल है जो हम फॉलो करते हैं।
I mean, it's good to stop, reflect what's happening. You know, be aware of
वेरी
it,
इंपॉर्टेंट।
and it's very good to reflect every few months, 5-6 महीने के बाद एक बारी ऐसे करना चाहिए. So that's why whoever started this thing, भगवान ने किया, जिसने भी किया, they must have really thought scientifically. It's very very good for the people. ये
It is all science. It is all science. That's why I'm saying that the days that have been
रास्ते में नहीं जाएंगे,
chosen,
think, reflect करेंगे, कुछ करेंगे. So it's all combined like in a very very
yes, it is a
scientific.
holistic approach. It's a complete
Exactly.
holistic
Holistic
approach.
approach is to recharge and detoxify your bodies.
And this is the best time to say Shukrana also.
Yeah. इसी के लिए
That
हमने
also we forget. So these are the days when we are actually going and praying, मंदिर में बैठ रहे हैं, पूजा कर रहे हैं, ईश्वर को याद कर रहे हैं, 5 बार नमाज पढ़ रहे हैं. So this is the way we are saying thank you for all our blessings also,
तो मैंने ये
which is very, very
है कि
important.
अपने आप जैसे 9 days होते हैं नवरात्रि के.
हाँ
Each day
जी.
is dedicated to Durga Mata, but a different
Incarnation of Durga Ma.
but every day का कुछ difference होता है. Is there some kind of a different meaning for each day, or something is every day
Yes,
9 days का कुछ होता है?
every day is a different meaning.
हाँ, वो मैं बता.
माँ दुर्गा के जो 9 एस्पेक्ट्स हैं, नौ जो रूप हैं दुर्गा के, दुर्गा है, लक्ष्मी है, जो 9 रूप है, उनके 9 रूप और 9 क्वालिटीज को सिग्निफाई करते हैं नवरात्र.
So different
So
qualities and
she's a
different.
mother also. She's the one who nurtures also. She's the one who gives you strength also. She's the one who gives you confidence also. She's the one who talks about justice also. Because she's the one जिसने असुरों का संहार किया है. So this is the quality of a woman. A woman is a warrior,
Oh yeah.
right? Every woman is a warrior. The same woman is a mother also who's nurturing, who's giving birth. The same woman is a supporter also in terms of a wife or a daughter. You are supporting your spouse, you're supporting your brother. The same woman is a fighter also. You're fighting for your rights, you're fighting for justice. You're giving justice to anybody and everybody who's coming. The same woman is someone who's a giver also, because you take care of everybody around you, your family, your friends, whoever needs you, you are a supporter to them. So you have 9 different habits, 9 different qualities of Ma Durga are reflected in those 9 days. And it is a reminder that a woman is capable of anything and everything.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Every day, like you just said, all the qualities, women can do all that. Giving birth, they're taking care of their families, everybody
So,
around that. No?
yes, a female is Ma Durga only, na? हर माँ माँ दुर्गा ही तो होती है, और हम सब माँ ही तो हैं.
And yet, a lot of injustice is being done to the women too. Like women empowerment में हम यही कहते हैं ना कि there's still a lot of things that have to be. We still have a
See,
long
that
road.
again is a process. It's a
Long
learning
road
which
to
is
go.
going on from,
Exactly.
we've
That's
already come up a long road
yeah.
already.
We
There's
have.
a lot that has been changed, and there's a lot that is going to change. And the journey is on. It is
Journey
not stopped.
gonna stop. Yep. वही मैंने किया था एक बारी अभी 2-3 weeks ago. Talk about this thing. That the journey we achieved a lot. A lot of places they're equal pay and all this they're doing for the women. They're equal. Um, like in the big companies they are getting good positions. In the government maybe some of them are vice president भी हैं,
Yes.
presidents as well. They're women. So they're getting there. In this country, for example, USA में अभी नहीं हुआ. But they are. Let's see what happens. This election year, this election year. Let's see what happens. But I think there's one woman candidate that kind of got out. But anyway,
India में the president of India is a woman and she's
yeah,
from a
yeah.
scheduled caste tribe, so it is already happening.
But the prime minister has more prominence. उनके ज़्यादा नजर आता है ना, president का पता नहीं चलता what she's doing and
Everybody
all.
has their own way,
Their
their
way of
own
doing
rules
things.
and
Yeah,
own powers. दोनों के powers है, but in the end, the supreme power is the president only.
yeah. She's कभी कभी she goes to some places, you see the pictures and all, but you hear more about Narendra Modi and all that. He's traveling and he
That's
comes.
because the election is coming. See, a prime minister has a different role, a president has a different role.
That's true. That is true. In India में वैसे मैंने देखा कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर को ज़्यादा दिखाते हैं because the president is more quiet, like doesn't go out that much. As a prime minister is more.
उनके रूल्स अलग है, उनके रोल्स अलग है, उनके एरियाज ऑफ इंटरेस्ट अलग है, सब कुछ अलग है उनका.
यहाँ पर president ज़्यादा नजर आएगा ना. He's traveling more. The vice president you don't hear too much. Kamala Harris, I don't. She has not that much, but the president is all over. He goes traveling here, he goes there. So it's a little different. Each country अपना अपना
But
होता
I'm sure everything is a part of a big support system. दोनों की ही उतनी ही जरूरत होती है. चाहे दिखे कोई कितना कम या कितना ज्यादा, जरूरत तो दोनों की ही है. तभी तो दोनों के पावर्स हैं, तभी
Oh yeah, that they got
तो
elected.
दोनों की पोजीशंस हैं.
Got elected. So फिर then these are the and they also I think if I'm not mistaken each day they wear different color. Is there anything to do with नवरात्रि में 9 days होते हैं they wear different color every day? इसका भी कुछ significance है? Why they do that, or is it something?
Color. Okay, so then any which ways in India for every day there's a different color. जैसे शनिवार को हम ब्लैक कलर पहनते हैं बिकॉज वो शनि का रंग होता है.
Okay.
Otherwise also every day is dedicated to one color in India. अगर आप थोड़ा डीप में स्टडी करेंगे तो हर एक दिन हर एक भगवान का दिन होता है. जैसे शिव जी का दिन मंडे माना जाता है, हनुमान जी का दिन ट्यूसडे माना जाता है, गणेश जी का वेनसडे माना जाता है. ऐसे ही नवरात्रों में दुर्गा माँ या संतोषी माँ का दिन थर्सडे माना जाता है. तो हर एक का अलग अलग रंग भी होता है, अलग अलग डेडिकेटेड डे भी होता है.
Yep. But Navratri men, I think that they wear different clothes. That's what I read that somewhere. There must be some reason. But anyway, आपका ठीक कह रहे हो. Every day people like Thursdays को different होता है, Monday का different है. जैसे आप कह रहे हैं कि Mondays का I think is क्या आपने कुछ कहा था अभी, which some the Monday is Tuesday. Every day is different. Hanuman is Tuesdays, right? People go to the Hanuman temple.
Hanuman ji is Tuesday, so orange color is Tuesdays. Monday is Shiv ji. Usually आप सैटरडे को ब्लैक पहनोगे क्योंकि वो शनि का दिन होता है और ये तो साल ही पूरा शनि का साल है. दिस ईयर इटसेल्फ इज द ईयर ऑफ सैटर्न. ये
Really? Oh, I didn't know
शनि
that.
का ही साल है.
शनि का साल है. Okay. But
दिस
they
इज
also,
सैटर्न ईयर. सो इस साल शनि की महादशा है, पूरा साल शनि का साल है. दैट्स व्हाई they say this is the year of justice because Shani is the god of justice.
wow, good to know all these things. Mondays Shivji, Kamlesh ji. Yeah, that's what we just said. So
Yes, Monday is Shiv ji, Tuesday is Hanuman ji, Wednesday is Ganesh ji, Thursday is Santoshi Ma, Saturday is Shani.
and what about Sunday? Nothing on Sunday? Sunday का भी तो कुछ होगा.
हर दिन कुछ I don't remember all of them. Whatever I remembered, I told you.
I know. So then people Thursdays को usually they say to wear green. Somehow I heard somebody they wear green all the time. तो the green पहनना
I
चाहिए.
will research on that and come back to you which day,
Yeah.
which color is
I
dedicated to.
I remember because you were wearing different colors. जैसे नहीं Thursday को आपको green पहनना चाहिए. I try to remember but I don't really pay that much attention. याद नहीं रहता. लेकिन different days का is a good thing to know. You know.
Saturday का याद रहता है क्योंकि शनि का color black है, तो that's something which I know from a long time.
Yeah.
The Saturday को usually लोग black पहनते हैं because वो शनि का दिन होता है.
Okay. So good to know all these things.
And you'll not believe इन सब के भी fast होते हैं.
I know. Yes, I know. Oh yeah.
तो यहाँ पे भी फास्टिंग हो ही रही है. तो जो जिस ईश्वर में या जिस रिलीजियस गॉड में बिलीव करता है वो उसके हिसाब से उनके फास्टिंग पैटर्न्स फॉलो करता है.
It's true. मैंने बोला ना अभी कि
So that's why I'm saying whichever religion it will, fasting is a part of every religion.
Yeah, fasting. But people do that for like for example, Gandhi, he used to fast for so many days to get his point across.
Yes.
I don't know how he
Yes.
did for so many days without
So
water.
a human body can ideally live without food for 21 days.
21 days. My God. And actually, you're right. You know why? Because I've heard of this thing, which is a true thing. Like touch wood, हमारा earthquake इतना बड़ा नहीं हुआ. Like in some places like Turkey and all that, destruction, buildings were destructed. Lot of people were buried, and they were trying to
Yes,
get
they were
them
stuck.
out. And there's sometimes even the small kids, they were, they were rescued after 10 days, 5, 7 days. They survived in spite
Yes.
of all the
So
things.
if you remember recently, there were certain mine workers which were stuck in a mine, and they were there for almost 15-20 days till the time they were bought out or till the time the food was given to them, and they all were alive. So ideally, a human body can stay without food for 21 days and without water for almost 3 days.
Wow, dehydration हो जाती है. But Mahatma Gandhi, they stay without, I guess, without food, not the water. But water का भी मैंने
Without,
सुना. Hmm?
without water, 3 days आप easily survive कर जाओ. ज्यादा भी हो सकता है based on your capacity, based on your body, based on your health, but 3 days to आप कर ही जाओ. See, the naturopathy, what Gandhiji was used to follow, he was a naturopath. So he always followed the concept of naturopathy, the balancing of 5 elements. And
Yes.
that's why he was able to fast because he was a very learned person. He understood the concept.
तो आप भी तो
वो
टीच
हमेशा जमीन पे सोते थे because earth is one of the 5 elements.
नेचुरोपैथी में तो आप भी करते हो ना. You also do some
हाँ जी.
naturopathy. You do that. Switch words expert and naturopath and positivity coach. Again, little bit. I mean, switch words की हमने बात तो करी हुई है. Last time भी करी थी. पर थोड़ा सा उसका concept. How does it? I mean, what is a way of learning that, or what do you do? Like you have to learn some kind of a, what do you have to
So
learn?
switch words, if you want to learn, it is a 3-day course. It is an online course, 1 hour class daily, where we will teach you what switch words are, what divine codes are, and what energy circles are, and how you can use those divine codes, switch words, and energy circle in each and every situation of your life to get a positive outcome. So don't always look at the bigger problems. Even the smaller things in your life can transform. Like there's a switch word for dandruff, there's a switch word for hair fall. So many people are struggling with these problems also. This might show a little problem to you, but for others, it might be a bigger problem, right? A person not getting proper sleep, a person who wants to be in entertainment or media industry, but is not able to speak confidently. So there's a switch word for that also. It's not always about money. It's not always about job. It's not always about career. Yes, for all these we have switch words, but we have switch words for small little things also in life. And when you start using these switch words for these small things, you're adding value to your life. आपकी quality of life improve हो रही है. अगर आपकी eyesight strong हो रही है, अगर आपका hair अच्छा है, अगर आपकी skin अच्छी है, if you are feeling confident while talking, if you feel happy, like giggle chuckle is for your own happiness. It's not for anybody else, it's for you. So switch words are basically meant to be used for your own self to make your life easy and to add value to your current life. हमेशा हम लोगों की प्रॉब्लम्स तो ना हमेशा बड़ी बड़ी होती है, वो 2 या 3 चीजों को हम फोकस करके चल रहे होते हैं और उसी में स्ट्रेस लिए जाते हैं. उन चीजों के लिए भी स्विच वर्ड्स हैं, लेकिन उसके अलावा छोटी छोटी चीजों में जब आप
Oh,
स्विच
I
वर्ड्स
agree.
करते हो तो
Yes.
आपकी जो हैप्पीनेस का क्वोशंट है वो बढ़ जाता है. There's a glow on your face. You are happy in every situation. Even if things are not going your way, you're not stressing yourself out on that. And that is what is required in life, right? Not every time things will go your way.
Oh yeah, naturally, no, they don't.
तो उसमें परेशान होने से क्या हो जाएगा? So that is the time where you have to be at ease. And that is the time you need switch words. So I'll give you today a very simple switch word for the harmony and peace of your whole family. Who doesn't want harmony and peace in their family? Everybody wants harmony and peace in their family, right? किसी का किसी से झगड़ा हो रहा होता है, किसी को किसी से परेशानी हो रही थी, कभी बच्चे माँ बाप की नहीं सुनते, कभी माँ बाप बच्चों की नहीं सुनते, कभी स्पाउस से प्रॉब्लम होता है, कभी मदर इन लॉ से प्रॉब्लम होता है. In the end, we want a harmonious environment to live a happy life. The simple switch word for that is cherry plum.
Cherry plum.
Cherry plum. Just say this. Plum, P-L-U-M, plum.
Very,
Cherry
very-
and plum, the two fruits put together. Cherry plum is a switch word for a harmonious family life. You just need to say that and visualize harmony in your family.
And then how many times you can say it? Couple of times in a day or one time?
Whenever you feel like you can say, if you want to put a number to it, you can put a number to it. If you want to say 11 times,
Okay.
21 times, do that. If you don't want to put any number to it, then say as many times as you want to say. 5, 10, 15, morning, evening, night. It is entirely up to you when you want to say, what time you want to say, how many times you want to say. But say without putting any stress on yourself. Because the purpose of the switch words is to release the stress, not to create another stress by of chanting those switch words. And if you
Right,
don't
then you
have
have to
time
remember,
to
oh my God.
chant, हाँ तो फिर तो आपने उस switch word का भी purpose खत्म कर दिया ना, एक और stress ले लिया.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. I'm trying to say कि टेंशन हो गया कि मैंने भूल गई करना ये करना तो then you're under stress. So you should just say it.
कोई बात नहीं, अगर एक दिन भूल गए तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
What is comfortable for you? उस तरीके से करो. That's what I think. Whatever your way of doing things, do it that way.
So there are two ways of doing it. Either you chant whenever you feel like chanting, or write it on a paper with a blue pen and keep it somewhere where like in front of your desk or on your fridge. So every time you're passing, you're looking through that and it's automatically getting repeated in your mind.
Okay.
It's the second way of doing
Hmm.
it. The third way of doing it is write it and put it in your purse or in your bag, so it is with your energy. The fourth way of doing it is take a blue pen and write it anywhere on any part of your body. Just leave it. Always use a blue pen.
A lot of time. Yeah, blue pen.
And do whatever is comfortable. If chanting is something which stresses you out, then write it down. If writing down is something that stresses you out, then chant. And if you don't want to do any of those, just want to see it, so put it in a place where you know you'll be seeing it 10, 15 times in a day. So automatically, जब आप उस चीज को
Otherwise, you
अपना
don't really have to. It doesn't have to be spoken. It can be read. You can read it instead of speaking it out, like chanting it. Or you
the
don't
whole
have,
purpose is to read.
right? That's what I'm
हाँ,
saying.
मुंह से जोर जोर से नहीं
मुंह-
बोलना है,
मुंह-
दिमाग में ही बोलना है.
हाँ, exactly.
हाँ, कभी भी जोर से नहीं बोलना होता, because it has to go in your mind. See, whatever you read into your mind, that goes into your subconscious mind. जोर जोर से तो बोलने की जरूरत ही नहीं है कुछ भी.
तो पढ़ सकते हो, पढ़ के अपने पर्स में भी डाल सकते हो, ताकि just said, put it in your pocket book, and then you just
Pocketbook, purse, write it on your hand or anywhere covered part of your body. And rewrite it every day on that with a blue pen. या लगा दो अपने फ्रिज पे, अपने डेस्क पे, कहीं पे भी, तो काम करते करते नजर तो पड़ी जाएगी वहां पे.
Yeah, that's true. That's
Whole
exactly.
purpose is do it with ease and happiness, because the purpose of these switch words is to create ease and happiness in your life. So don't put pressure on this also. आप जब प्रेशर में करते हो तो इनकी एनर्जीज भी खराब हो जाती
Yeah, ये तो है. No,
है. स्ट्रेस लेके कुछ भी नहीं करना. स्ट्रेस हटाने के लिए भी अगर स्ट्रेस लेने लग गए तो इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू
हटाने के लिए स्ट्रेस कर लो तो क्या डबल स्ट्रेस हो गया ना. That's not a good thing. We want to relieve the stress.
Exactly, then it is not going to serve the purpose.
We want to relieve that, not to add to it, That is a thing. And Steph, I think I'm interested to, maybe I will take the course for 3 days. I think I will do that. Like I explained to you last time, मैंने लिखा कहा था आपको अभी थोड़े दिन पहले कि I'll be interested to do that. Because good to know, good to learn different things, good to know, good things सीखनी चाहिए.
And this is something very easy and doable. And it gives you a lot of mental and emotional support when you know there is a solution to every situation.
Yeah, that's very important.
और जब आप use करने लग
सोचते रहते हैं ये नहीं किया वो नहीं किया, I wish I did this way, I wish I did like this, if I did this way it might have worked, like ठीक हो जाता. तो your mind it's like a devil's advocate. वो भी तो कहते हैं ना, mind ही तुम्हारा सब कुछ है, makes you happy.
खत्म हो गया उसको तो कोई नहीं बदल सकता, लेकिन जो चल रहा है उसे तो आप बदल ही सकते हो. और उसके लिए आपके पास इतना बड़ा रिसोर्स है. इट्स लाइक अ ocean of switch words for every situation you have a switch word or a divine code. You name the situation, there will be a switch word or a divine code for that.
अपने पॉकेट बुक में कितने वर्ड्स डालो फिर, कितने, how many things can you put in there? How many words can you put?
आपको उतनों की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. Just pick up the first 3 which you need immediately. वो काम खत्म हो गया, उसके बाद बाकी 3 पे जाओ, उसके बाद बाकी 3 पे जाओ ना. एक साथ 25 क्यों लगाने?
आई नो, वही तो मैं अभी कह रही हूँ।
प्रायोरिटाइज करो ना आप।
आपने जो
एक साथ 25 लगाओगे, आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कौन सी चीज पूरी हो गई, और आपके ऊपर और स्ट्रेस आ जाएगा
तो अगर कुछ
दोबारा
ऐसे
से।
से यू डूइंग
Try start
समथिंग,
with 3.
प्रायोरिटाइज
Always.
2 या 3 चीजें प्रायोरिटाइज कर लो उसको, यू chant it or read it or whatever, put in your purse. Approximate, I mean, does it come to fulfill whatever you're trying to do? Fulfillment कब तक
Yes,
आती है?
the moment it is full, depending on आप किस चीज के लिए कर रहे हो, that also depends ना issue क्या है. So
Right.
always start with small things first. The moment it gets fulfilled on the smaller things, your faith will develop.
Okay.
बड़ी चीजें भी आसानी से हो जाती है, लेकिन उसके लिए हमारा फेथ डेवलप नहीं होगा. तो हमेशा छोटी चीजों से चालू कीजिए,
Okay.
अपने से चालू कीजिए. दूसरों को हेल्प बाद में करो, पहले अपने लिए करो. If you have a problem on your skin, start with the switch word for the skin. If you have eyesight problem, start with the eyesight का. If you have hair problem, start with the hair. अगर आपको रात को नींद नहीं आ रही, नींद वाला switch word लो. अगर आपको किसी चीज की एंजाइटी हो रही है, कोई स्पेसिफिक चीज को लेके एंजाइटी हो रही है, उसका स्विच वर्ड या डिवाइन कोड यूज करो. इफ यू आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम एनी काइंड ऑफ हेल्थ कंडीशन, there are divine codes for every disease
Hmm.
possible in this world. Start with that.
Okay. You guys have 5
But
every day.
always start with the small.
Kamaji, I didn't know that you do this thing. आपने कभी बताया नहीं हमको. आप भी ऐसे करते हो. So hi Rizwana, hi everybody, welcome. I'm sure all of you ladies, I just want to recap what happened today. God help those who help themselves, of course, Kamlesh ji. But I want to recap, I think approximately 45 minutes ago now. Did you all feel the earthquake? Wherever you are? Rizwana, answer me. And Ramaji, Abhi. So, I mean, I felt it here. I think a lot of people in my kids felt it in Connecticut, and Kamlesh ji, she's in New Jersey, she felt it there. So thank God that it lasted only for a few seconds. That I went and checked everything, nothing fell down.
Thank God everybody is safe and
Everybody
sound.
said,
Thank God for the blessings that you have. And
और
we
तो
are
ये
still talking
शुक्राने वाले
and the
दिन में
show.
देखो हम तो शुक्राना करने लगे थे. You can
बिल्कुल.
I'm sitting here to do the शुक्राना. And I forgot to put the bhajan or the Shabbat, but I put Dil Diyan Galla. But anyway,
कोई
that's
बात
my,
नहीं.
मैं कहा कोई बात नहीं भूल गया आज, but I did something, and normally आज हम भगवान का नाम जैसे we are doing, remembering. देखो रिजवाना, we were talking about अभी देखो रमजान में आप भी कर रहे हो. I know that you're fasting, so we were just talking, and the day you finish, or the 10th 9th को नवरात्रे शुरू हो रहे हैं. So we were just talking, discussing these two things. When you got a chance, go back and listen to what we discussed. You will really find a lot of good things that we discussed, and it's good to know all these things.
Okay, before we wind up today, there is, as this is the holy month of Ramadan and the month of Navratri, I want to give one specific
हाँ जी.
switch word related to divine. हमें जब भी कोई काम कराना होता है या किसी काम की जल्दी होती है, एंजाइटी होती है कि जल्दी हो जाए, तो we keep praying to God कि please make this happen now, make this happen now. Instead of doing that, always say divine timings. Whenever you want something to happen and you are in a hurry and you keep wondering why it is not happening, just say divine timings. Because
Divine
divine timings are the
timings. Okay,
divine timing. Instead
Okay.
of saying make it happen fast, make it
Okay.
happen fast, say God, let it happen in divine timings. The moment you say divine timings, it will happen in the best possible way and come to. जिससे आपका ही नहीं, आपके पूरे सराउंडिंग में उस चीज को फायदा. It is like, I'll give you a very small example. You want to sell your property and it is not happening from couple of months. Brokers are coming, you are getting a bid, but it is not going for sale. Just start praying divine timings. God, make this happen in divine timings. And you will see when it happens, you will have the best bid. The whole process will go on smoothly. You will get profit more than what you have expected because it will be done in the divine timings.
So divine timings
And
mean
it will happen
it
in the divine timings.
could be any time. There's no concept of time. 1 महीना 2 महीने 3 महीने ऐसे नहीं होता. जब होएगा तो होएगा, right?
डिवाइन टाइमिंग्स का मतलब है हमने ऊपर वाले पे छोड़ दिया.
कोई मेरा मतलब है ना.
इसको इस तरीके से करके दो कि हमें इसमें कोई हासिल ना हो.
ठीक है. I mean,
तो ये जब होगा तो हम कोई तकलीफ नहीं होगी, स्ट्रेस फ्रॉम आवर लाइफ फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर
वो
थिंग.
बर्डन नहीं होना चाहिए ना. अपने पे बर्डन नहीं रखो, बर्डन नहीं होगा. That's the thing. I understand. So see, all everybody heard that. So everybody has something in their mind they want to do or they want to accomplish. So ऐसे कैसे करना चाहिए? Reshma is also watching. Hi, Reshma. I got a lot of people over here. Everybody felt the earthquake. I know. Divine times. Thank you, Reshma. Vipanji is watching too. Welcome to all of you. Rizwana is here. Kamlesh ji, of course. Ramaji and Neelam ji भी थी अब यहाँ पर. Neelam Lamba is here. And Kamlesh ji, Hina Gupta is from California. She's here. She's up very early. Dolly is here. See नीलम जी इंडिया से आई हैं. देखो कितने लोग आए हैं उनको सुनने के लिए. Shelly जी है. Shelly is over here too. So I'm so happy that all of you joined. And इसको प्रोग्राम को हमारे को ना शेयर करो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ. When we start the program, why don't you all please do me a favor and share it on your timelines. Then this way all your friends can also join and take the benefit, because these programs of ours are very beneficial to a lot of people because we try to help everybody. Dil Diyan Gallan is actually almost 4 years now that we started. So this is all
wow.
complimentary program from my side right now. So, but we try to help a lot of people, bring people together so that they can learn a lot of different things. Like जैसे कि आपने कितनी चीजें आप समझाई हैं. Now, normally if you get up in the morning from 10:30 to 11:30, will you learn all these things? I don't think so, unless you come to Dil Diyan Gallan, right? And listen to Neelam ji. So we try to bring different people. Next week, हमारा थोड़ा different pattern. We're going to have the first day of Navratri, which is a Tuesday. We're going to have a program by Anil ji in the morning. And then Wednesday, most probably we're going to have Gulshan ji again because there was some technical problem last week. And then Friday, we'll have the Shukrana. And next week, I'll tell you about that afterwards. Next week, जब आएगा तब बताएंगे. Too soon is, too early to tell the following week as well. So this week, enjoy karo. Now, if you missed this Dr. Sobia's program on Monday, please go back to listen to it. Gulshan's program was a little bit spoiled. And today, Neelam ji ka program. Agar late aayo, to please go back and listen to it from the beginning because it's going to benefit you. So I will say happy Shukrana to all of you. Bhagwan ka naam lijiye, aaj weekend aa raha hai. And remember all the good things in life and all the good things that are coming up. Next week is a very major week because Ramadan is going to be Eid and then Navratri is going to start. So it's a very, very
Two
important.
celebrations.
Exactly. And it's a very, very, like beneficial to a lot of people in the world. Even if you're not a Muslim or a Hindu, doesn't matter. It's a very important time of the year, week actually. So I will say goodbye to all of you. Have a lovely time. Thank you for joining. So namaste, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, Jai Shri Krishna to all of you. And good morning. It's still morning here. I'll say good morning also. Some places good afternoon, some place good evening. So everybody have a great day. Thank you so much, Neelam ji, for coming and explaining all these things.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure to have
Happy Eid and happy Navratri to everybody.
And it's a pleasure to have you. I love to have you here. It's so much fun.
Thank you.
मजा आता है आपके साथ. बहुत मजा आता है. So, and again, once again, goodbye everyone.
Thank you so much.
Bye. आप एक मिनट ठहरना. No, wait for 1 minute. Okay. Stopped. Oh.
Okay.